Almost my entire family took Syntazid, including my 2-year-old child. My mom has chronic cardiac arrhythmia, and she has already noticed that she feels better with Syntazid intake and more resourceful. To tell and share. Okay, let's share. For those viewers who watch us for the first time, traditionally, I'll say that we talk about the bioactive mineral Syntazid. This is the innovation of 2019. Syntazid is a product for a comprehensive health improvement, but it's not a medicine. It's a mineral that gives strength to the body for restoring its biochemistry, helps increase the number of stem cells, get more energy and endurance, and basically for a complex health improvement that is the body does it itself. Therefore, Syntazid heals nothing. A person heals himself or herself. As always, Syntazid only gives them such an opportunity to do it in a quick and convenient way. My name is Alexander, and we have a video call with Olga today. Olga, please introduce yourself, tell us what city you are from, what experience you or your family has of Syntazid intake, and I'll listen to you and maybe ask some questions. My name is Olga Tokarova. Currently, I'm in Novokuznetsk. Actually, I live in two cities. Almost all my family took Syntazid, including my 2-year-old child. As for the experience we have, I'll go first, since I was the first to experiment with this product. Yes, it really promotes endurance, strength, body resources. At first, I was surprised that I was sleeping such short hours, 3 or 4 hours a day, and it even bothered me a bit because I woke up at 3 or 4 a.m. and it was a bit unusual to think that it was night outside, but I had something to do. But when some difficult moments, days to be exact, were ahead, of course it helped. Regarding my child, he had a fracture. I don't know it helped or not, but without any further adaptation and working out, he began to walk. He almost immediately ran the day after. He was taking Syntazid about once a week. I gave him a capsule, and I didn't bother dividing the capsule. Then my husband joined us, and probably, thanks to this product, my husband took 2 jars due to his weight for about 10 days. And he had such a good progress in his mindset that he needs to change his life because of overweight and so on. Men over 40 have some quirks due to the business specifics, and somehow he started to think about it. Then my mother joined us. Mom has chronic cardiac arrhythmia, and to date, she has already noticed that after taking Syntazid, she feels better and more resourceful. As for me, maybe due to my age, I don't notice her gray hair and other age-related changes, and my mother noted that the birthmark on her cheek, or maybe not even the birthmark, but something rather age-related had gone away. And also one of her friends told her that she had less gray hair. They even asked her, "Have you dyed your hair?" Because the number of gray hair has decreased dramatically. Judging on my own feelings, I've noticed a colossal increase in body resources. Moreover, it remains even after I finish taking the product. I haven't taken it probably for a month and a half already. Now I want the second course, or rather the third time. I want to buy it for myself and for the whole family, because it really works. The changes are visible, and as I already read in one of the reviews, it has a good effect on the right thoughts, a kind of thirst for life, and in general, a stronger desire to do something. Yes, you're right. There is such a thing. Basically, the mood somehow stabilizes, it becomes smoother, without any of those sudden swings, and you don't get lost in some bad thoughts, ideas, and as you said there, that your husband decided to change something, it really happens. Such yearning for better life, changes and developments. These must be supported and helped, because some people who take Syntazid expect that Syntazid will do everything for them. But Syntazid is just a tool. That is, a person must act in some way, help in some kind of a changes, including a healthy diet, quality water, and physical activity. Olga, please tell me, what diet do you follow? What kind of lifestyle do you adhere to? Have you changed anything or not? Well, I changed everything for better a long time ago, so I can't say that it greatly influenced me. I had no failures in my life. But I noticed that after pregnancy and childbirth, and accordingly upbringing the child, who is large in size, I gained more of body resources. Because people are still surprised. He weighs about 17-18 kilograms, and I carried him when he broke his leg. I noted that there is, in fact, such a good moment. And so I have a healthy diet for probably 15 years. Maybe due to this, I look so good, and I hope that Synthesit will continue to help prolonging my youth, resourcefulness, and activity. Why did I ask you about your diet to clarify? Because there is a number of people who support a healthier lifestyle. They consume less of certain products, exercise, and the effect of a single intake of Synthesit of one course lasts longer in comparison with those people who drink alcohol, for example, eat lots of pastry. I therefore ask to clarify that you have indeed a certain lifestyle. So your resourceful state lasts so long after one course. It was important for me to find it out. Now I have 10 capsules left. This is such a feeling that, for example, it's going to be a trip between cities or something else. I will take it in the morning, and for the whole day I felt such an additional doping. Considering my lifestyle, taking into account my child, because he's tied to me, he's still breastfed, despite the fact that he's already 2 years and a half, so he gets it also indirectly through me. Resourcefulness is nice. Let's get some more details. I see that your health basically was good, and strength, endurance, resourcefulness are good, sleep is good. What eventually happened to your husband? Did he change his lifestyle? Now he's about to do it. I don't know what influenced him. Probably a series of events or synthesis, but now he's at least about to change his lifestyle. He thought that he must continue a good and high quality life. Let's just say he's eager to live. Here's what I said about synthesis, that it promotes thirst for life. And this thirst arose in his mind. We'll observe the dynamics. Now I'll also purchase an additional course, because under my sensitive guidance he agrees to change, and plus the motivation related to our small child is also very good. Yes, I agree. Children makes us so. If we have some results, we'll definitely share with you. Well, I wish you health and further improvements. Say hello to your mom and dad, to everyone. For sure, I'll tell my mom, as she can't wait for me to make an order so that she continues to take it, because her condition got better with this product. Now she has a slightly critical condition. Okay, Alexander, thank you for your product. Goodbye. Goodbye.